Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are doing a video tour of the national floor plan. This is part of the estate line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennars Southwest Florida Communities. The national is a 5-bedroom, bonus room, loft, 3-car garage home, almost 3,500 square foot on this home. Let's run inside and take a look. Now, as you walk inside the entryway, directly to the right, we're going to have the dining room here. And you can see that piggybacks off the kitchen, which we'll get to here in a moment. But directly to our left also, you have this flex space here, which is used as a nice little seating area. And then you have your stairwell that leads directly up to the second floor. And you've got your downstairs living spaces as well. But first, we're going to come here to the left. You're going to have the first guest bedroom here, being utilized as an office, as you can see. And directly next to that is the downstairs guest bath, which in normal configuration, because this is a model and being used as an office, it does not have the shower, but there would typically be a shower in here. And this also serves as the pool bath as well, because you have a door leading out to the pool. Now, sticking with the downstairs, you've got the great room area here, which opens up to the pool, nice and bright and light, lots of space here, and this opens up to the kitchen here. Tons of countertop space, lots of storage. You've got the flat kitchen island here, nice, great room, and opened up to everything. Now we're going to sift through the dining room here and head upstairs. But first, directly to our left, we're not going to go in there. However, this is the office for the Lennar associates here, but this is where your laundry room would be, as well as the entry to your 3-car garage. Now, coming across the dining room, we're going to go straight up the stairs. Now, as we head upstairs, you're going to have the remaining bedrooms up here, and you're going to have the loft space and the bonus room. So as we get to the top here, directly to the right is the loft area. And this piggybacks right off the actual bonus room with the dual door entry. So you can make this an awesome media space here. Just lots of creativity that you can use with all this space. Now, right across the loft, you'll have the second guest bedroom here. And right next to that is the guest bath, which has dual sinks, the commode, and a combination tub and shower. Then you've got the third guest bedroom right here off the bathroom. The fourth guest bedroom right here as well. And then this corridor, what a grand entry here to your master suite with a dual door entry. Huge master, that's a king-size suite there, just to give you a perspective on space. Nice and bright, lots of window space. And then you have your bathroom, the closets. Here's a walk-in closet here on one side. And then you've got the secondary closet here. So you've got the his and hers setup. And this opens up into the master bath here with this large corner shower. You've got the soaking tub, and then you've got the separate vanities here. Now, coming back downstairs, we're going to cut through the loft, head down the stairs, and last but not least, we'll take a look at the outdoor living space on this national floor plan. So as we come down, we'll cut across the living room space. And you've got this nice, huge triple slider here, which takes you out to your outdoor living. You've got a huge lanai under truss, and this expands, as you can see, from one side here of the house all the way to the other. So you have this huge under truss lanai that takes you from one side of the house to the other. Tons of space out here. You can see plenty of room for recliners, even having a pool and spa package on both sides. This is an awesome home here, folks. This is the national, part of the estate line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennars Southwest Florida Communities. If you're interested in this floor plan, or any of the other floor plans Lennar has to offer, you can contact us at all the information below. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching, folks.